Do you want to be able to tackle those home projects during your spring clean? Let's get your tools organized. When you have your tools and supplies organized, you can know what materials you have to complete projects with, and you won't waste money purchasing things you already have because you couldn't find them. If you need help organizing or just love organizing videos, be sure to subscribe now. Welcome to the 5th and final video in my spring cleaning series. We went over how to set up cleaning routines that work for your busy schedule, how to purge your house of the things you don't need or use, how to organize a garage sale for those items you purged, and how to sell your big ticket items on garage sale apps. Today I'm going to show you how to organize your tools, even if you have a tiny shed like this one. One of the keys to organizing any space is to make your items easily accessible. Anything you access frequently will need to be placed within easy reach, eye level and visible without anything in the way. Anything you access moderately can be placed above and below eye level. And finally, anything you access rarely can be placed above and below your moderately accessed items. Lighter tools can be placed on a pegboard. The best thing about the classic pegboard is that they are very inexpensive to set up, and on top of that, they're so versatile. You can label locations for tools you always keep, and then just move the pegs around for your temporary items. In the description box below, I have a free resource for you, which shows you how to label different items and areas in the most effective ways to keep your spaces organized. For items that won't be stored on a pegboard and have several parts that you may need to tote, little toolboxes like this are your best friend. This shed gets super dusty, so we don't have any pretty or fancy organizing solutions here. These Dollar Tree bins are perfect for keeping dust off of all of the little things, like different adhesives, batteries, and light bulbs. And down here we have cables, protective gear, and hardware. What home projects are you tackling this spring? Share in the comments below. Don't forget to grab your free resource on how to label different items and areas in your home in the most effective ways to stay organized. In my next video, I'll show you how to set up a laundry room according to laundry routines that work best for you and your schedule. So be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you can know the moment it is up and never miss another organizing video. Happy organizing!